Build your next oil pump kit using FarmChem's Oil Pump Kit Builder. Just go to FarmChem.com, go up to the Energy menu, and go down to Oil Pump Kit Builder. Choose your tank. Then choose the pump you want. We offer professional and premium grade 3-to-1, 4-to-1, 5-to-1, and 5-to-1 HD pumps. Professional grade comes with a 2-year warranty, and premium grade comes with a 3-year warranty. Click on Order Your Pump, then choose your hose and your dispense meter. Click Add to Cart. Then click View Cart to see everything that's in your cart. All the products on the left side of this page will be a part of your total when you check out. Try out the builder now on FarmChem.com.